Hello,
Hi Tanishka, how are you doing?
I'm great. How are you, ma'am?
I'm also doing good. Thank you for asking. How was your day?
It was great. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Tanishka, you are from which place?
I'm from Maharashtra district, Pune.
You are from Pune. Yes?
Yes. Can
Hmm.
you tell about yourself?
Yes. My name is Radhika. I am from New Delhi, and from past years I am teaching people how to speak in English. So that's a little about me. Now Tanishka, we are meeting for the very first time. Can you go ahead and tell me something about yourself, please?
Yes, my name is Tanishka. I'm 7 years old. I'm studying in third standard, and my hobbies are to playing chess and Uno, and I like to play indoor game and outdoor game.
You told me you like to play chess. That's what you said. Yes?
Yes.
So, who has taught you how to play chess? Because chess is not a simple game, it's a game of moves and planning. So, from where have you learnt playing chess?
Just when my mother sister are playing before that I can see how they're playing, and one day my mother teaching me, and now I'm playing that. When me and my mother are playing, that I am winning and she
Most
is
of,
out.
okay. So, what do you think? Chess is an easy game, anybody can learn it, or chess is a difficult game?
Chess is a very difficult game because we have to think where we have to go, where we have to move.
Hmm. So, if I want to learn chess, how much time will I take to learn chess properly?
Just we have to just learn how we have to move, how we have to move, how many steps we have to move, where we have to go, and what is their names.
What are their names? Because
Yes,
there are many strikers. So you will say, what are the names? Okay?
what are their names? Yes.
Perfect. Okay. So, and second thing you talked about Uno. How you developed your interest in playing Uno? Tell me something about Uno as well.
You know there are so many cards. We have to put like to the color wise.
For example, if you are not having the same color, then what will you do?
We don't have same color, so that there are so many cards. So
Mhm.
we have to just give. There are so many person we can play. So one person they have to give seven cards, and second one person also give to seven cards, and the remaining cards are we have to put like this, and we don't have any color, so we have
Mhm.
to put from that another cards, and when we got that one card, so we have to put same color. Or we put that we take that one also, but that one is not same color,
Mhm.
so we have to do pass.
Pass it to the next player.
Yes.
Okay, so that means there are certain cards which are in our hand, there are certain cards which are on one side, and somehow we need to get the same color. And if we are not getting the same color, then we have to do the pass of the turn. Yes?
No, when we don't have the color, so we
Mhm.
have to take first from the that another cards they are
Perfect.
remain,
Yes,
and when we take from one, but that one is also not that color,
same.
so we have to do pass.
Oh, understood. So you told me that you like to play indoor games. Now there are a lot of online games. In fact, if I talk about chess, there are people who play chess online also. Tanishka, have you ever tried playing chess or any other game for that matter online on your mobile phone or on your parents' mobile phone basically?
Yes, I play chess game on the mobile, but I have a real. I play with my family real, but I also have a fake game in my mobile.
Oh my god. Fake game? What is the meaning of this word fake game?
Means that online game.
Okay, we will not call it a fake game. You will simply say, I play online as well as offline.
Yes,
Okay, when you are
yes.
playing on mobile, that is online game, and when you are playing with your friends, family, sister, mom, that is offline. So you will say, I play online as well as offline. Do you
I
understand my point?
online. I play online as well as offline.
Absolutely correct. Use the correct vocabulary, please. Okay. Do you
Yes,
have interest in now? Yeah. Yeah. You were saying
but
something?
I don't like to play online games like on the mobile because I like to play real games. When I
Hmm.
play real games, I can get how to play, but I when I play online games, but I don't understand.
Oh, okay, okay. Understood, understood. So you told me a lot, Kanishka, about your indoor games. Are you interested into outdoor games also?
Yes, I like to play outdoor games. In outdoor game, I play like ice and water, coco, I hide and seek, and
Hmm.
so many games we play. Or in school, we play like a square dodgeball, circle dodgeball,
Hmm.
like this.
Okay. Kanishka, very nice. But there is one thing, I am not a kid. Maybe I don't know about these games. And the speed at which you are speaking the names of these games, I am unable to understand. So, when you are talking to a person who is not having information, you should go slow. You should mention I Spice, Coco, catch the ball. You have to take a pause. You can't run like a speedy train. You have to
Yeah,
go slow so that I can understand that what games you are even talking about. Otherwise, I will not understand anything. Okay?
yeah.
You just said you said she have, he have. No, you have to use has with them. She has to or he has to. Okay? With he and she, we use has, not has. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, Tanishka, your school examinations are done.
Yes, our exam is done.
So, you are going to school or you are on your summer holidays?
There are summer vacations to us.
Already started?
Yes, it's already started.
When did it start?
It starts in April.
1st of April?
Yes, 12
You will,
April.
sorry?
12 April.
Okay, 12 April, that's what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay, we never say it like this. We say 12th April. Whenever you are talking about a date, it is always an ordinal number. You will not say 12 April, 3 April. No, 12th April,
12.
22nd April. Okay, understood the point? So, what are you doing in your summer vacations? You are playing these games, or are there any other activities also that you have joined? Tell me, Tanishka.
Yes, I have many activities like a drawing, art and craft, painting also, and we
Hmm.
have go to parking to play, downstairs to play. Yes, we play our friends. We go to outside, and we do very much enjoy.
Okay. You said we play our friends. We play with our friends.
Yes, we play with our friends.
Okay. So you told me drawing, art and craft. What exactly do you draw? Like when I was of your age, I used to draw cartoons and some sceneries, and I used to color them with oil pastels. What you actually do when you draw?
I draw many things that when I see anything in my home, like there are so many things in my home, so I just copy and just do same color.
Which colors do you use?
I have so many color. I have big box of the color. There are so many shades of the one color of the green. There are 10 shades of the pink. One color. There are 10 shades. All one color have a 10 shades. And then I have a there are so many things in my home, so I copy that pictures and draw same color.
Hmm, understood. And what about art and craft? What have you done in art and craft?
I just draw a birds, like a hen, and like a that
Origami.
frog.
Are you talking about origami that using paper folding you draw, you make all these things, bird, frog, all these things? Origami?
Yes,
Okay.
I make like a boat also an aeroplane.
So do you know what is origami?
No.
Okay. For example, I have this page with me. Now if I fold it and make an aeroplane out of it. So when we are doing that, that particular art is called origami. What do we call it?
Origami.
Yes. So you can say in art and craft, I do. Origami. What will you say?
In art and craft, I do origami.
Very nice. Very well said. So from where do you learn all these origami? You have a book or you refer YouTube videos?
Yes, I watch on YouTube sometime or sometime it's I know how to make, so I make.
Right now I can see that you are wearing a pink dress. There is a head accessory also of pink. So should I consider that pink is your favorite color?
Yes, my pink is my favorite color.
So you like only pink color or is there any second favorite color of yours also?
Yes, I like two colors most, that pink and blue.
Pink and blue. Very nice. And your school bag is of which color? Pink or blue?
We don't have school bag in our school.
Oh, then how do you keep your notebooks and books in the school locker?
No, we have a folder.
Okay, so how does that work? There are sheets in that folder, or how exactly do you do use that folder?
It's a too much big folder, and then we have to put the worksheets in the folder.
Hmm. So you will take only folder to school, and then the same folder you get back to home as well. Yeah.
Yes, we have to take home also and in school also.
So how do you carry that folder? Do you have a small bag in which you keep this folder, or you just hold it in your hand and go to school?
I just hold it on my hand,
You will not say on my hand, in my hands. Okay.
in my hand. Yes,
And where do you keep pen, pencil, all of that stuff? Where do you keep all of that?
I put in my folder only.
Okay, there is a compartment in the folder itself, and you keep your stationery there. Yes.
No, we can bring a pouch also. We have to bring pouch and we have to keep in the folder.
Okay, you will not say pouch now. Pouch can be any pouch. Yeah, we can keep our makeup also in that pouch. We can keep our medicines also in that pouch. But we are talking about that pouch, Tanishka, where you are keeping your pencil, eraser, ruler, your stationery. Yes. So you will
Yes,
not say pouch. You will say pencil pouch. Okay.
pencil pouch. Yes.
Then the person will be able to understand. Otherwise, the person will not be able to understand. Okay. Yes. Are we getting clear,
Yeah.
Tanishka? Do we understand?
Okay.
Okay. Yes. So, Tanishka, I want to know one last thing from you. Are you planning to go out somewhere because your summer holidays are going on? So, maybe to your nanny's place or any other place in India or abroad that you are planning to visit in your summer vacation?
Uncle's home.
Oh, okay. For how long? For 2, 3 days or for a long duration?
10 days.
10 days. What will you
Yeah.
do there? You will meet your cousins.
Yes, I will meet my cousins and I play with them. I
That's
enjoyed a
very
lot.
nice. Wonderful, Tanishka. Tanishka, the way you are speaking, the way you are talking, very good, very nice. But you have to be careful about one thing, Tanishka, that you have to speak in such a way that others are able to understand you. Most of the time, I was able to understand you, but in certain situations, you were speaking very fast, and I was not able to understand. Okay, so please be careful about this. Don't speak too fast that other person is not able to understand. Don't let that happen. Okay, be careful about it. Understood?
Yes, I
Now,
understood.
Tanishka, we learnt about 3 new words today: online, offline, deck of cards. I hope you remember. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay. After that, you said, I like to playing. You like to play today, tomorrow, every day you like to play. Correct? So, Tanishka, you will not say to playing. You will say, I like to play. I like to play. You will not say, I like to playing. I like to play. You will say like that. Correct? After
Yes.
that, I've already told you, you will not say she have, he have. No. She has. He has. Understood? Mm-hmm.
Okay. She
Okay.
has cats.
She has pens, she has pencil pouch, anything. Okay. After that, you said, I like to play chess game. Tanishka, chess is the name of a game. Yes or no?
Yes.
So when you are telling the name of the game, Tanishka, you will not say game again. I like to play chess game. No, I like to play chess. Game is not needed. You will not say game. You will just say I like to play chess. Do
Okay.
we
I
understand?
like to play chess.
Perfect. Absolutely. After that, you told me you said my mother teach me how to play chess. No, my mother taught me. Past tense. My mother taught me how to play chess. Do we
Yes.
understand that?
Taught me how to play chess.
Very nice. Okay. Now, Tanishka, who gave you this idea to start your YouTube channel? Tell me.
My
Was it
mother,
your idea?
yes, my mother started this channel to me
Hmm. You will not say to me, for me. Okay.
for me because
For since how? Yeah. So since how many months you are working on this channel, YouTube channel?
yes, I'm learning this language from this 6 months.
Oh, how many videos are there on your YouTube channel? I will check your YouTube channel.
There are 80 videos on my channel.
Oh, wow. And people comment on your videos also.
Yes, they
So do you?
comment.
Then what? Do you reply their comments?
Yes, we replied there.
Reply them. What do you reply? What do you write down in reply?
We reply like, but I don't know. But my mother replied, I don't know. But my mother replied, she have
No
mother.
worries.
She have
No worries.
mobile.
Okay, so today you have to do two things. First, you have to count how many Uno cards you have. Okay. And second thing, you have to ask your mom that how she replies to the comments. Because if you are doing YouTubing, you should reply to the comments as well. Okay. So please make
Yes,
sure that you ask your mom that how to reply, mom. I want to reply. Okay.
yes, but I didn't mobile use. But my mother said the that the one message it I reply it. My mother tell me, but I don't reply like I don't use the mobile.
No
Yes,
worries. Okay, Tanishka. So, did you enjoy in the class? Was it a good class?
yes, I enjoyed a lot.
You enjoyed a lot. Okay, that's very nice to hear, Tanishka. Keep growing, keep learning. All the best for your YouTube channel and your journey ahead. Bye, Tanishka. I will see you in the next class now. Bye bye. Take care.
Have a great day, ma'am.
You too have
Thank
a
you.
great day.